On top inside Edo today, campaign wey we do na to get parliament wey go give us better support to serve Edo people. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn say im administration don do ogbonge campaign to get parliament wey go strong and give better support to im administration, as all of them go be APC legislators and go help give Edo people better democracy. Obaseki tok dis one wen e receive executive members of Parliamentary Staff Association of Nigeria (PASAN) Edo State Chapter wen dem come visit am for Government House, Benin City. E tok say Edo State House of Assembly get 24 APC members and e never understand why some members elect never waka come for their own inauguration. E come still tok on top how body take sweet am as dem don dey understand wetin dey happen and dem go still waka come for inauguration make dem for fit represent the people wey vote dem for office. Vacancy governor tok say the campaign wey dem do na to get House of Assembly wey go support government to give Edo people better life. E come use dis opportunity to take call the members elect say make dem come for inauguration and join their colleagues dem for legislative to do the work wey dem vote dem for and to represent the constituency. Obaseki tok say im administration dey transparent and ready do wetin dey right to see say Edo people life better, and say state government go continue to dey do their work to see say government money and property dem manage am well make for benefit Edo people. And im administration dey see say civil servant for state get ogbonge training as dem go see say pass and sef go follow and join for dis training. Edo State Governor tok say Edo State government go put for ground better and safe environment wey go fit train workers dem so that dem go fit deliver better service, as dem go still rearrange and train to provide better facility wey go make work go wella for Edo State. Obaseki come explain say make staff of Edo State House of Assembly and Edo people continue to dey do their work as wahala no dey for Edo State, and say very soon everything go dey alright. Leader of PASAN delegation Haruna Umar Farouk come salute Governor Obaseki for the work wey e dey do to develop Edo State and say the association dey gidigba with am. E come still give am better gbosa on top the joint body wey dey between executive and legislative part of government, as this one dey help Edo State waka well well. Na here we see the better informate reach on top inside Edo today, as Governor Obaseki don tok say campaign wey dem do na to see say dem get strong parliament wey go support im administration make Edo people for get better life. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate wey una hear on top wetin shele for inside Edo today na T Live Media na im bring am come for una. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge informate on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And if you still follow us for Facebook, make una like and follow our page for T Live Media. Our website still don gidigba put to get correct informate as e dey hot for Edo State for www.tlivemedia.com.